Okay, we've got our 3 pieces to the head that we have glued together here now, and I've let them set overnight so it glues well. So what we're going to do is we're going to sand all this down before we add any more pieces. We're also, somewhere in here, we have to take this piece, cut this piece off in here. This will get attached with screws, so if we ever have to get into the back of the head to make repairs, we just take that off. The other part is these next 2 pieces with the neck that goes in here, which before we glue those on, we have to cut this section out in here, somewhere in here. We'll also cut it out all the way over. We'll save this piece. This piece will get connected to this piece here, and this will get screwed on in case, like I say, if we ever have to make repairs, we can open the back of the head to get into it. So before we glue these on, we have to cut this pieces out, and we're going to get this all sanded down. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. And if you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section and I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.